Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix this operation has been closed due to reaction in effect in your computer. Please contact your system administrator. Step by step follow the steps. First step, go to the search bar, search the registry editor. You will click to enter, click to the yes. You will see the current users. You click to select. You will next select for the software, click to open. You will next click to the classes. You will scroll down for you see the HTML. You will click to the default. You will right click to modify. You will change the value data for HTML file. You click to the OK. But my Windows is no problem. I will click to the cancel. You will go to the next step. You will click to the Windows icon. You will restart your PC or laptop. Problem solved. You will check this problem 100% fix it. Thank you for watching.